So waiting for the sunrise here in front of Angkor Wat.
We've got dried of this and dried of that. And
hardly any people from our area.
So,
because everybody's
I
in
never
there.
carry anything. I usually just...
I don't think they'll have the same
I knew how
view
strict
that
they
we
are,
have
so.
here. Okay. We're back. Still waiting for the sun to come up from there.
Ang ganda.
Whoops, there it is. Yeah. Oh, it looks better. Yeah, that's what we came here to say.
Ay, alam ko na kung saan ko ilalagay doon sa SCN.
So we're going inside now. There's the sun.